Happy Monday. Today, markets ripped to the upside and then kind of went sideways. Took a couple trades. We're going to go and recap those now. These were done on my 20, 50K Apex funded accounts. You can use code TBM for the best discount always. Right now, it's 80% off on all of the account sizes. Let's go ahead and get into today's stream recap. Yo, good morning. Welcome. Okay, so markets are up 1% right now. Obviously, we had Thursday dump, Friday dump, Monday, Sunday night, overnight we've pumped so far. We are 1% up. Got yesterday's value area high at 970, VWAP at 23K. Push through the overnight highs here. Through the overnight highs, through VWAP, or above VWAP, above the overnight highs. Uppies seems pretty good for a little relief bounce. Getting back below the overnight highs, we'll watch for, VWAP and 23K psych, as well as yesterday's value area high. We get back below VWAP and get back below yesterday's value area high. You watch for the rotation down significantly lower, but as of right now, it feels pretty pumpy, so we'll see kind of what the session actually brings us. Another doji. Yeah, it's just like we're clearly grinding right now. The only thing is we got that big block at 180. Don't really have too much market selling going on here on that little move to the downside, very tiny move to the downside. And it was like a, 80-point parabolic straight up move. I am officially green lighted to trade. If you're new, I always wait the first 15 minutes just to let the market shake itself out. Let the weird stuff happen off the open. So I wait the first 15 minutes. After that, I call it green lighting to trade. So I'm just ready to take trades. If I see something worth taking, I'll take it. I like to be patient. In a perfect world, I'm always patient. You're not going to see me just firing off a million trades. It's not my style. It's not what I want to be doing. Goal is to find something that I think is worth taking and take it. I want to see how if this candle actually close out fairly heavy, in which case then we're looking at potentially like a retest of point of control. I got to give it 15 points though. So maybe it's like a little float through at high volume node. Could potentially be the play. Essentially risking 10 points. Purely off of like more of a topping candle, delta being heavy, point of control up here at the highs. 250 psych level. Probably don't even get filled anyways, because that's just how this always works. I didn't want to give it 15 points with the point of control entry, so. Okay, filled out. A little bit of buyers maybe trying to come through. I'm going to go and move that break even. We're jumping around a little bit here. See some continuation. I'm going to go and take that off. It got close, but I don't know. It's kind of sweepy. I want to lock in a little bit of a green trade, to be honest. I'm going to take my 5 points, my $100. I still wouldn't have gotten filled out. Maybe right around here I would have gotten filled out. For a full 10, it would have been close, I think. I'm happy with it. It's fine with me. Green is green, right? I was a little I was getting ready to kill it break even right around here when the DOM was like every push to the downside was getting eaten up by like 4 or 5 ticks. And that's usually a sign that we push higher. So I was like getting ready to kill it. And then we had that quick flush, and that's when I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get out of this. Yeah, we're making a nice move. I'm kind of shocked that 52 held. I thought we were going to flush the blocks above it. Now we're at the bottom of the range here. A little like 1 minute hammery looking thing. 50% retrace of the wick getting close. I'm going to give it a shot. Risk 3 points, basically. Stopped out. Worth it at the bottom of the range. It'll be interesting to see how we sweep it, but look, I mean, I'm down to give that a couple of tries, or one try. I'm trying to give it a try, given the fact that we've slapped it like pretty hard, aggressively up off of it a couple times. I'm basically flat. I'm up 25 bucks. Covers commissions. So I'm gonna call it here, chat. It's almost 10 o'clock. A winner or loser. Slightly, very slightly green, but we'll take it. It's Monday. I'm excited for this week. I think it's gonna be a good week of trading. I feel locked in, ready to go, and excited for the week, which is typically a good thing. There's the push. I just got swept out in the process. That's okay. We'll see you tomorrow morning at market open. Good luck, everybody. Be smart, be patient. It's going to be a week full of scalping. So make sure you come back and hang out, and don't do anything stupid. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace, everybody. Have a great one.